You can't open a magazine or newspaper without seeing that AI and automation are taking over the world and revolutionising the way we work, what we're going to eat, where we're going to have breakfast, or what jobs we're going to do. But what we need to do is think about, is this really anything new? Let's take a look back at history and think about when we were all hunter-gatherers before we became farmers. The biggest revolution, the biggest new technology that changed our life was in fact the plough. With the plough, we saw that one person could do the work of 5, but that didn't mean 4 people were sitting on the riverbank sunning themselves while one poor person walked up the fields behind his team of oxen. What we saw were those other 4 people taking on new roles in society. They started to build homes, they created towns, they started to dig in the ground and find metal, and metallurgy was born. So this isn't about robots taking your jobs. This is about AI and automation releasing humans to be naturally innovative and entrepreneurial and come up with new ways of creating value for an organisation. And that's what we saw in our research with the CIPD. We saw that organisations who'd introduced AI and automation saw 39% increase in the number of jobs.